For this piece, you gotta pull out with this finger, pull toward this way on this small gray piece, and then you can pull down to release this. Pry open the metal, 4 metal pieces here, 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 and here. So I pried all 4 of these open with a knife. I used 2 knives, and I should be able to just... Also, be careful. I sliced my thumb open when I did that the first time. So maybe you need to wear gloves. With the old one removed, place the new one in. Make sure it's going the right direction. Push button up here. Push. So it clips into place. I check all these connections. Oh, see, that's not in all the way. That looks good. Connect this one here. Connect this one here. With everything connected to the soap dispenser, just need to plug in the cable here back into the system board. Oh, there's one more thing. This here, this was right here when I opened it. I'm guessing it helps when it's against the front door here. Plug in the cable. Make sure you kind of hold from the top here so it doesn't spring open and break that cable. Screw in the screws and it should work.